Great morning, everyone. So I'm Life Coach Blazy, and I'm a licensed chemical engineer with a career focus in manufacturing industry in area of continuous improvement and project management. I'm an entrepreneur as owner of 28th Street Cafe, and I'm a CACC certified life coach and mental health coach from Life Coach Philippines. And I'm also a master builder apprentice of Master Coach A and part of Be Learning Society and a mental model collectors. I'm a proud student of Master Coach A 6 Steps to Six Figures Speaking Career Training Program, and this episode includes assonance figure of speech. So for today, this morning, we are now on our episode 2 of mental model, and for today, I will be sharing with you the 80-20 mental model. So many of you who are working in the corporate, or maybe you're working you are statistic, so or the lean manufacturing or lean sigma. So in all of that, or in all of that, so you always hear the word productivity. So how do you define a good productivity? It is producing more with less time. Oftentimes, we are always after being productive. So even ourselves, we challenge ourselves to do more in a constant time, being given to us, and also in manufacturing, this is their bread and butter, productivity. Productivity to increase, improve, so that manufacturing costs will be reduced. But do you know that there is a better principle that can be applied to get more results through the task with a bigger impact? So choosing that task from the long list of tasks, you choose that one task that can bring the highest impact. And you call that 80-20 principle. So which you might be familiar as well at work. Oftentimes it's being used when you solve a problem with the long list of potential solutions. So you will choose the one that will solve the problem 80% of the problem. So but actually, so when you heard that 80-20 principle or the Pareto rule, but actually there is that mental model behind this 80-20 principle or rule. So 80-20 mental model that you can use in any areas of your life. So if you are used to only using it at work, so the 80-20 model is you can use it in any areas of your life. So for those of you who is first time to hear the word mental model, so if you're not familiar with the concept of mental model, so mental model is an explanation of how something works. It is a concept, framework, or worldview that you carry around in your mind to help you interpret the world and understand the relationship between things. Mental models are deeply held beliefs about how the world works. So, why mental models are so important, di ba? So, because by building up a base of the most valuable and universal mental models, you are building up your trunks of knowledge that you can use for the rest of your life. So once you learn it, you can really use it as you build that foundation for the rest of your life. So mental models are a critical category of knowledge that gets more relevant over time and can be applied across a wide array of different domains. So over time, as you practice it, so you will, and as you see the impact of it to your lives, it allows you to expand the way you think. So and how you are really to train your brain to think new ways is through mental models, through learning of different sets of mental models. So it will help you to improve the way you decide, the way you think. And this is what we are learning inside the Be Learning Society, tent maker of Be Learning Homes for Mental Fitness. So this morning, the 80-20 mental model. So did you know that the 80-20 ratio is the same as well with the 90-10 or 8422. The two numbers don't actually need to add up to make 100. And this 8020, which has originated from the observation of Wilfredo Pareto during the 1958, that 80% of the land was owned by 20% of the people. So that's where the 8020 that is popular now has been originated. So going back with that being productive. So you are well familiar with that how to be productive. But using the 80-20 mental model can help you leverage that 24 hours you got. So not only producing more or having that results with less time, but this one is having that biggest impact with the 24 hours that you get. So how you can that this 80-20 mental model can help you leverage the 24 hours that you got. So according to Richard Koch, author of the 80-20 principles, so it's not the shortage of time that should worry us, but the tendency of for the majority of time to be spent in low quality ways. So leverage your 24 hours by spending it most with the most quality task that gives the impact. So for me, my current application of this is on the area of learning and growth. So to make my learning and growth with the quality one, so I'm sharing what I learn or through pack my bag moment or through sharing of my the nuggets of wisdom that I get from the training or from the class that I have attended, and by making this FB live. So this one is my way of sharing, my way of teaching those things, those topics that I have learned from the class. So when you do this, so for me, it increases dramatically how I will remember and understand well the lesson or topic I learned from the class. So I don't need to review if I will not teach. So what will I do to remember? So I will always review it all the time. And versus that I will just share it and teach it now, and then I will forever remember it. It will be retained to my brain. So I just share and teach, and I double my learning or more, and my growth or much more. So what area of your life you want to change significantly? What is that one important task that will give you the most quality result or that will create that change in that particular area of your life? And that is the 80-20 mental models. If you are interested to be part of Be Learning Society and learn the mental model with us, connect with Coach Rizal at 0917-586-1661. So the next mental model masterclass is on August 21 at 7 p.m. And Master Coach A will cover the polymath mental model. So learn how you can combine skills and become the superstar in your field. Discover why the polymaths will win this 21st century. So you can register as early as now. So join us and be one of our VIP inside Be Learning, be mentally fit and mentally prepared so you can make your way through even this challenging time. So once again, this is Life Coach Glacy from Life Coach Philippines. Bye.